Hello, I'm Nzangi Muimi. I'm a Kenyan, born and raised in the rural areas of Mwingi in Kitui County. I studied quantity surveying at the University of Nairobi, and I've been in the construction industry for 5 years now, building, advising clients on construction costs and contractual matters, and managing projects for a wide range of awesome clients. I discovered my passion for teaching others while at the university. Therefore, I love to share what I have learned and experienced in the course of my work in the form of tutorials, videos, and specially curated in-depth blog articles. I am a conservative who has refused to let go of the play and experimentation that characterize our childhood lives. I'm always building and breaking things, trying new ideas and learning new things, sketching, drawing, coding, poetry, and writing. When I want to relax, I listen to music while I take a walk in the woods. I also enjoy playing badminton and bicycle riding. That's me in a nutshell. Feel free to introduce yourself in the comment section below.